There are two types of object modelling which can be done on this program. In this segment, producing solids from primitives and modifying their features will be demonstrated. Solid objects are either produced as freestanding objects without any dependency on other objects, or are produced from 2D curves. Some examples of solid primitives are cone, block, cylinder, etc. These objects are drawn in three-dimensional space, and their specific features can be modified. These features are edges, faces, and vertices. Solid objects are modified by adding or subtracting material from them, either by using other solid objects or by modifying their edges, faces, and vertices. In this example, another solid primitive will be added to the design. By combining the volume of these two primitives, the body of the original solid is modified. Solid objects are manipulated in the editor using the gripper. The gripper is a useful tool for manipulating solid objects in the editor. For example, by selecting the object, the rotator handles can be used to change the rotation angle of the object. Specific properties of the gripper are adjusted in the inspector. Direct editing can be done on the faces of the solid, thereby producing quick updates to the overall body of the solid. For example, the push-pull tool will be used to manipulate the position of a face on the solid. This tool is used to adjust the planar position of a face, thereby modifying the overall solid. The face of a solid can also be moved to a new position by defining a new point. A face can also be extended into a new position by defining an offset value. When a solid primitive is drawn in the editor, the properties of this shape can be updated in the Edit fields or the inspector. In this example, the length data attribute will be updated. A solid object can further be modified, for example by shelling out the object to create a wall thickness. By inputting an offset value to indicate the wall thickness and excluding the top face, this object can be shelled. Modifications can also be done by creating blends on the edges of a face. In this example, the edges of the top face will be blended. An individual edge or all of the edges of a face can be blended, adding material to the solid. Modifications to the solid can be done from any convenient viewpoint. In this example, the top view will be used to add a hole on the top face of the solid. A solid can also be modified by adding a new feature such as a protrusion or boss. In this example, this will be added to the front face of the solid. Although the newly added features are incorporated into the main body of the solid, their individual attributes can be updated in the inspector or the edit bar. When faces are modified, all edges and curves remain associated to the manipulated face, allowing new features to be used which add or remove material from the solid. By using the data attributes of the inspector, each newly added feature of the solid can be independently updated. This solid can be displayed in transparent mode, allowing the interior to be more easily examined. The color of the part is changed here.